Hi guys, what's up? This is Dr Alasa Mohammed. You're welcome to our online clinic. If you are new here, try to subscribe. After subscribing, click on the bell so you get the notification when I upload new video. Yeah, welcome to the clinic. Please subscribe. Yeah, today we're talking about Harmattan and how to stay healthy during Harmattan. Yeah, I've been getting a lot of questions. I've been seeing a lot of videos concerning Harmattan, and people are just shouting the cold is too much, cold is too much. Doctor, what do I do? So that this video is just a quick video for what you can do to stay healthy during this Harmattan. But first, we have to know what is Harmattan, and before you know what to do during this Harmattan season. Now let's go. Now, Harmattan simply means the dry, dusty, and cold wind on the West African coast. I will take that again. I said Harmattan is the dry, dusty, and cold wind on the West African coast. I said again, West African coast. That is to say, Harmattan is occurs mostly in West Africa because of the wind coming from the West African coast. Now, currently in Ghana, Cote d'Ivoire, Togo, they're experiencing Harmattan, especially Nigeria. Now, the cold is in all parts of in West Africa, but mostly in northern part of West Africa, you have more cold. It's more cold. Like example, taking a case study like Nigeria, in the northern part of Nigeria, take like Kano, Katsina, Maduguri, Jos. It's very cold, and it's like ice, as in the water is turning to ice, and most times can be dangerous for your health when you expose yourself to too much cold. So today I'll be giving you some health tips to stay healthy during this Harmattan. Now, first, you have to try to avoid or reduce outdoor activities. You understand? Especially people that have allergies to cold and dust, you have to avoid or reduce the outdoor activity because outside is dusty and it's cold. If you tend to do more outdoor activity, you tend to expose yourself more to cold and dust, and which might be detrimental to your health. So just try to reduce your outdoor activity and do more of the indoor activities you get now. Then avoid carbonated drinks or carbonated soft drinks. Now, this carbonated soft drink, what they do to you is that they enhance dehydration. They make you get dehydrated easily. This carbonated drinks, so you have to just try to avoid or reduce them and take more water than carbonated drinks. So please, let's reduce or stay from carbonated drinks during this period. Then we have some people that asthmatic patients that having or people having respiratory disorder. Yeah, they should try to stay indoors and avoid outdoor activity, especially to keep themselves away from dust and the cold, because once they have this dust, once their nose or their respiratory tract exposed to this dust, they might have this attack. So if they are to go out to do an outdoor activity, they should always go with their inhaler in case of any emergency situation. They can have that inhaler to help them out. You get? So if they must go out to do an outdoor activity, people that are asthmatic patients or people that are having respiratory disease or something, they should try to go with their inhaler in case of to prevent any emergency situation. You get? Now, you try to use what they call a lip balm. A lip balm is a balm used on your lips. Why? To prevent cracking of your lips, because once your lips start cracking, that it can give this kind of pain and disfigure to your lips. Okay, so most people tend to try to lick their lips more often, but you just lick your lips throughout the whole day and your saliva might get to be exhausted, but it's not possible anymore. But just try to use lip balm on your lips, then it makes your lips softer and prevent it from cracking. You get? So try to use the lip balm on your lips to prevent your lips from cracking. Then try to avoid them. Try to apply Vaseline on your the sole of your feet. And if you check the sole of your feet, the sole, if you don't apply Vaseline, it gets dried, and once it gets dried, it starts cracking, and once it starts cracking, it most times it looks so bad. It's not so good when you look at it, and it gives this sharpness when you touch it. So wash your feet, then apply Vaseline. It makes your sole of your feet, it make it softer, and you are good to go. So I try to always apply Vaseline in the sole of your feet, and always also stay away from outdoor activities. Then keep your skin healthy. The best way you can keep your skin healthy is by applying oily cream. You understand? Now this oily cream helps your skin, because your skin has has its own oil pores also. So when you apply oil on your skin, like oily cream, it prevents your skin from drying up, because once your skin start drying up, it kills your cells, your melanin, your skin tend to be more hardened because of your keratin. So try to apply oily cream. Once you apply oily cream on your skin tend to be softer. And also for your hair, also try to moisturize your hair frequently, and also apply cream on your hair, because if you don't do that, your hair will be dusty, and for the females your hair might be breaking. And once your hair start breaking, then it doesn't make you look good, because for females they said their hair is the hair is the beauty of a woman. So try to take care of your hair by keeping it moisturized, and also adding moisturizing cream or anything to make your hair soft and prevent it from dust. You get? Now always try to close your doors and window. Now the reason we are doing that is to prevent wind or dust from coming into the house, because your house is like your safe zone. You are staying inside your house for your safe zone. So if you are opening your doors and windows, it's just as if you are outside the house. So for you to be in a safe zone, try to close your doors, close your windows, and stay in warmth. You can also put on anything to make you warm, or there's a kind of gas warmer, or cold charcoal warmer. You can just light it up and make yourself feel warm. Then try to always cover your nose and your mouth. If you must go out, try to cover your nose and your mouth with a nose mask to prevent dust from coming in. Because once you start inhaling dust, your nose start having this irritation, and once start having this irritation, you start sneezing, and once you start sneezing, you have these allergies, and you can have catarrh, you can have cough. You get? So try to cover your nose and your mouth with a nose mask if you have to go outside to do any outdoor activities. Then also try to put on thick clothes to cover your body because of the cold. That is normal. Your sweater, your jacket, your hood, just try to cover up to keep yourself safe from the cold. Then also try to always try to wash your face and your eyes frequently to prevent redness of the eye, because that is always frequent. It occurs frequently during harmattan season. People's eyes start getting red, and from it can lead to disease of the eye. So if you notice that your eyes are getting red and itchy, then try to visit the clinic. You understand? But to prevent that, try to frequently wash your eyes with clean water. Just rinse your face and your eyes with clean water to prevent redness and itching of your eyes. Then also your fruit, if you are getting fruit from outside, try to wash them before eating, because it's dusty and you have a lot of dust in your fruit. So try to wash the fruit before eating. Also with your food, if you know you're not eating anymore, try to cover your food to prevent dust from entering to the food also. And also for your water, there's some person that stores water outside their houses, so please just try to cover your water to prevent dust or any other thing from entering water, because now it is dusty, it is windy and dusty, so you have particles flying around. So try to cover your water or cover things you store outside to safeguard them. You understand? Now this harmattan season is a very dry season, and it accommodates it enhances fire little. So when you see any little thing burning, little fire, don't ignore it. Try to put it off, because everything is dried. So once you see just see little fire, before you say jack, it can end up being a big fire. Understand? So just try to put off any fire, and try to be self-conscious, be conscious about your environment in terms of fire and other stuffs. And if you are a sickle cell patient, I would advise you try to take yourself properly during this period, because your health is more delicate during this period. So just try to stay indoors, try to cover yourself, especially your nose and your mouth. Try to cover yourself and keep yourself warm. Now I hope this list has been helpful to you. If it has, thank you very much, and please subscribe to our YouTube channel. You can also follow me on Instagram at dr_ENASA. That is Dr. Alasa. Yeah, thank you very much and God bless you. Bye.